In this video, I will guide you on how to add the zkSync testnet to Metamask and how to claim test tokens. You can check testnet details in the zkSync Discord group. All relevant links are in the video description. Open Metamask wallet. Click the Network Select button and click Add Network. Fill in all the details. Network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Click the Save button after filling zkSync test network details. You can use the zkSync Faucet to claim test tokens. To claim test tokens, you need a Twitter account. Post your request with your Metamask wallet address. It will take a few minutes to receive test tokens to your address. You can check transactions using zkSync Testnet Explorer. Copy token contract address. Go to Metamask Wallet Asset tab. Click the Import Tokens button. Paste token contract address. Add token to Metamask. Thanks for watching.